Yeah, got a little hole drilled for something new. That's my excitement for today. Got an Ultra 550 water pump and getting that all put together. Good old plumbing. Well, this was a little bit fun. I soaked it in water for, I don't know, about 5 minutes or so, and that was about all the further was going to go on. So we'll see how that works. There, got the hose run through. Pump is inside. I did turn it on already, but I'll make it official. And I got water. Alright, so I got the pipe run through, and that's going straight on over to the manifold. Love that manifold, that looks nice and strong and beefy. And it's now ready to get the smaller tubing hooked up to it. And we'll see what I can do with that.